Hello everyone. Superpack has developed a series of GC2 lithium iron phosphate battery to replace lead-acid battery, which extensively used in golf car, utility vehicle, forklift, AGV, marine, etc. The battery is housed in a high-quality ABS plus PC material, which is glossy, tough and heat-resistant. As a power battery, it has a simple design with two dual M8 terminals, and CAN bus input-output interface, a power button and a simple SOC, status LED. It is also worth mentioning that we have designed a vent for the battery, which helps to balance the temperature. The process of connecting the batteries in parallel is simple. Please use battery interconnect cables to connect the positive terminals of battery to each other and do the same with negative terminals. Up to 10 batteries can be connected in parallel at the same time. For more information, please follow the official website of Superpack and feel free to contact us.